Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's video we're back with another Instagram related video. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create an Instagram QR code on Android. Now basically what an Instagram's QR code is, if you guys know Snap code, and basically by scanning a Snap code your friends can add you as well. Well, the function is similar on your Instagram as well. Your Instagram has a QR code which your friends can scan and they can basically follow you. So if you don't want to go through the work of typing a person's name and finding them, then basically you can send them your QR code, they can scan it and they can follow you. That's easy. Or you can do the same as well. Your friend can send you their Snap code and you can snap their Snap code, follow them. So yeah, that's basically how this works. Now let me show you guys how you guys can get your Snap code and even customize it. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you, but before that do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's dive right into the video. So first thing, you want to click on your profile picture by coming into your Instagram. You want to click on this tree line and you want to click on QR code. And the QR code shown over here is my QR code. So if I screenshot it and send this to my friend, then they can scan it and follow me. And if I want to change my background color, I can click on where it says color and change it. And if I click on sleep, it's gonna change just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can customize it if you guys want to. So hope you guys found our video helpful, and if you want to scan your friend's QR code, you can click on scan QR code and our camera will open and you can scan their QR code. So that's basically how this works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll get to them as soon as I can to help you guys to fix it. And yeah, hope you guys are able to scan your friend's QR code, or your friend were able to scan your QR code by watching this video. And have a nice day and bye bye.